Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Whitespark for local rank tracking, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Once the home page loads, locate the menu at the top of the page. Hover over the products section to reveal a drop-down menu. From the drop-down, select Local Rank Tracker. You will be directed to the Local Rank Tracker page. On this page, review the features and benefits of the tool. When you're ready, find the Get Started or Sign Up button. Click on that button to proceed to the subscription options. Here, you will see different pricing plans tailored to your needs. Choose the plan that best suits your requirements. Once selected, click the Sign Up or Buy Now button associated with your chosen plan. Next, you will be prompted to create an account. Fill in the required information, including your email address and password. After you complete the form, click on the Create Account button. You may receive a verification email, so check your inbox for that. Follow the instructions in the email to verify your account. Once verified, return to the Whitespark site and log in with your credentials. Proceed to the payment page to enter your payment information. Review your order and confirm your subscription. After successful payment, you will gain access to the Local Rank Tracker dashboard. Explore the dashboard to set up your rank tracking preferences. Follow the prompts to add your business details and locations. Now you're ready to start tracking your local rankings effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.